Hi, I'm Doc Martinez. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways Plus Plus. And I have my favorite daughter-in-law in front of me.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, my only one,
Yes.
but my favorite as well. And so she actually made a special carrot cake syrup for me. And tastes very good. I'm already making a mess with it.
That's okay.
And so we're gonna do a little experiment today. We're gonna make 4 different ones. I don't know if you knew we we're making 4, but we're making 4.
Know that.
We're gonna try each one, and what the experiment is, we're using vodka.
Oh.
But we're also using different bourbons, but different And look, we even have like a caramel bourbon, so like a sweet one.
That'll be good.
And then you have Russell Reserve, about 100 proof, and then we have the Rabbit Hole, which I've used to make one of these kind of similar to this before.
Okay.
So do you think? We have one of these? Do you think it's gonna be good? Let's ask. Is our experiment gonna work? Let's see what it says. Excellent.
Excellent.
It says excellent. So it should work. Good. All right. Well, let's go. Let's get this done. So you're gonna help me out here. Okay. I made glasses for each one. We don't have a jigger here, but we have this one that comes off of Stranahan's. So let's put that in for pour in that one. And we're gonna do the next one as well. Right there, go on that next one for me. And we will have a recipe for this in the description below as well. Ooh, I think we're just gonna have just enough.
There we go. That's perfect.
Yep. Excellent. All right. Excellent. All right. So let's do the first one. This is the vodka. I'm using this one first, so none of these influence the flavors of it as well. So go ahead and dump that in that first one. Extra just in case, you know.
It's a little extra shot in there.
Yeah, extra shot if you want. Yeah. Let's do the sweet one next. Okay. So I'm going to move these over. We're going to do the sweet one next.
This is the salted caramel one?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think this would probably be your favorite one.
Yeah,
if I'm guessing, because it's going to probably be the sweetest out of all of them.
Yummy.
There you go. Ooh, that smells pretty sweet.
Yeah,
you can smell really how sweet that is. Yeah, to you that's good. To me, that's like super sweet.
I like
all right, and then we'll do the Russells next because these are about the same proof. I think they're both about 100 proof.
Okay.
But the thing is, I don't know if I told you this in the beginning. You have to drink all of them.
Oh, okay.
So Daddy's gonna have a good night tonight.
I'm gonna be passed out.
And he's gonna have to take care of all the kids.
Yes. I'm gonna be passed out and he's gonna have to get up with the baby.
Kalia over there watching us?
Yes.
All right. I guess I should put these behind them just so we don't forget which one's which, right?
True.
So I know.
Okay.
I kind of know, but.
The vodka.
Oops. That one didn't want to close back up, so just be careful with that.
All right.
All right. Now, to make an old fashioned, you have to have spirits, you have to have sugar, and you have to have bitters. So what we're doing is we're doing some bitters. I have fig and cinnamon bitters. I figured that's something that would highlight each of these. So we're going to do 2 dashes in each of them. And then we're going to do some walnut bitters. What do you have in carrot cake?
Nuts. Walnuts.
So
that is perfect. Delicious.
2 of each of these.
Yeah.
I spilled some of myself, if that's okay. And then we're going to stir each one. So I'm going to just start at the edge over here. Oh. I thought it was. Yeah. So I'm gonna start. You're gonna bring them in there.
I can do that.
So I'm over here. I don't have all my equipment. I thought we had stuff here, but we don't. So we use what we have. So at home, make sure you use what you have. All right. There you go. Start working on that one. I'll start stirring the next one. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use the bottom of this. So it's easier. You did good. You did good.
I didn't want it to fall in there.
Just dump it
on. Gonna go. There we go.
All right. It's ready. You can just smell the sweetness on that one already.
That is going to be my favorite, I think.
Yep. And we have 1 ice in each of these. Yes, they're not my normal big clear ice, but as I said, use what you have when you're there.
Use what we have.
And after a few of these, she won't remember what ice was in it.
I won't. There we go. Lost another one.
And the good thing is, that's what we clean up for afterwards, right?
True.
Now, on the outside of each of these glasses, we do have, what is it?
Oh, this is a homemade cream cheese frosting.
Yeah.
That we're going to top our cinnamon rolls with tomorrow.
But perfect for
carrot cake. That's the same frosting you use for carrot cake.
Yeah. So I guess we'll put a recipe for that in the description below as well.
Out there too.
I don't know what you want to give away our secrets, you know.
Well,
you're letting me do the last one. You've been doing so good.
I know I can't reach that one. It's a little bit too far. I did make a mess, so.
Who did it better? She probably did, didn't she? All right, move this off to the side.
All right.
So we're gonna start with the vodka because that's probably gonna be the one with. Oh wait, we gotta.
Oh yeah, we garnish.
We got little garnishes for this.
How cute.
I'm just gonna tear this open because
we
don't got time for all that.
Okay.
Look at that.
How cute.
You gonna put one on that one over there?
Look at that.
And so what we have here, that one's broken. It's a carrot chocolate garnish.
Chocolate carrot.
So I mean, we can just put them across the top or whatever.
Do you want me to do that for these?
Doesn't
Or
matter,
whatever.
whatever.
Okay.
I mean, I like the
Cool.
way you did it. You did good. You did good.
Sweet,
All right.
thank you.
So now we know vodka. Let's start with that
Yes,
one. You go
vodka.
ahead and go and try that one first.
Okay. Let me see. Should I just leave it there?
Yeah.
Actually, that's really good.
Yeah. Well, it should be.
Yeah.
It should be. I like
That's
that you did this
tasty.
too. Watch. You did. Oh yeah, that's really good.
That is
So-
good. That surprised me. I
Yeah.
thought the
Now
vodka wasn't.
taste it on the side with the frosting.
That's a good
It's gonna
idea.
change things. And don't worry,
Mhm.
everybody. Everybody that's watching, you're gonna get a taste this. I see everybody over there
Yum.
staring at it.
That's good.
Oh,
It
Yeah,
tastes
that-
like carrot cake.
that adds a whole extra level.
Yep.
All right, let's go for what
All
you think
right.
is gonna be your
I'm
favorite.
excited for this one.
I'm gonna put this across the top. Just
Oh yeah. Go for it.
Oh, hold on. Let's flip that forward and
There we go. Oh my gosh, that is so good.
See, and it's probably, is it sweeter than the first one?
Mm-hmm.
But the question is, does it hide your syrup? Do you still taste your syrup? in it?
I still taste it, but I think that it's a little bit more like prominent in this one. You can taste it a lot more.
Okay, it didn't oversweeten it. I really,
No.
really thought it was gonna oversweeten it. Oh, adding
That's really good.
just adding that, the what is it?
The caramel like depth
Yeah.
to the flavor of it. Yeah, that's really good.
You didn't try it with that?
With the icing?
Did you?
I did.
Well,
I'll take
do it
another
again.
sip though.
All right, next. This one is the one with the Russell. This is just
Okay.
Russell Reserve. So something you can get on the shelf, easy to find.
Okay. It's a lot more bourbony.
And so I think I'll like this one.
Yes, I'm gonna try it with the icing. It's good. I don't mind it. It's not my favorite, but it's good.
Okay, yeah. I really thought I was gonna like this one a little bit more.
I feel like that almost hides the syrup a little bit more.
Yeah. This one would probably could use a little bit more syrup to bring that syrup on
Yeah.
it. So it's not overly sweet at all. You do taste the bitters, you taste the bourbon, but you're not getting much of the carrot.
Yeah, I agree.
So yeah, so the one I thought was gonna be my favorite is so far not my favorite.
Yeah.
Alright.
What is this one?
This one's a rabbit hole.
Rabbit hole.
It's a bourbon, but I mean it's for Easter, so we had to use a rabbit. didn't we?
I
Very
kind of feel
different.
like I like that one a little bit more. I'd say that one's a little bit stronger. What do you think?
I like it, but I do like that one a little bit more.
Yeah.
But I also like the bourbon in this one more than I
Yeah.
do like the rabbit hole bourbon. Just on my palate, I prefer that
I
one
would
over
say, yeah,
everything.
I would agree.
Now, if you were to rank these from your favorite to your least favorite, which one would you choose?
I would actually say that the vodka one is my favorite because I can taste the syrup.
Actually,
the
I like the
most.
syrup the most.
Yeah. So I'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, actually.
So if I were to rank them, and they're gonna kill me for this, I actually like the vodka one the most because
Yeah.
you can taste the flavor
Yep.
so much. But then I actually go with the Russells,
Second.
and then unfortunately the sweetener, but just because this one just didn't hit right.
Yeah.
I think both of these need just a little bit more syrup so we can taste more of that syrup.
I would agree. Yeah.
But this was the one that tasted most like a carrot cake,
Yeah.
especially with that
Yeah.
frosting. So, no, I agree.
Yeah.
I like that one more. So,
I think that one's the best.
yeah. So, well, we will leave a recipe for both the carrot cake syrup
Yep,
and for the
and
frosting in the description below.
Yes, we will.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yep.
Well,
Me too.
Thank you for doing
Thank
this with
you.
me. So thank you for joining me on another journey to my whiskey rabbit hole, or my old-fashioned rabbit hole this time. To our next journey, my friends. Cheers.
Cheers.
Can we turn off the TV?
Oh my
You're
God.
very needy.
Or just turn it down. You can watch it. Just turn it down. Heck yeah. My
Cheers.
favorites.
So
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Hold on, we got one thing to do. Go ahead and take your sip.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna
Yes.
cheers.